Hi all, it's David here from DP Computing. I'm just going to be doing a teardown of a Toshiba Satellite Pro R50-C. Just before we go any further, just a word of warning, proceed at your own risk. If you see something different at your end or you're just not confident enough, please see a professional. As I said, what we've got here is a Toshiba Satellite Pro R50-C. This one has a part number of PS566A-004001. Now, it should take static precautions as well before doing this. And now the first thing you should do is disconnect the power and also remove the battery. The battery is removed by just pushing these two levers to outwards and then sliding out the battery. So there's the battery itself. I'll just see if I can see any part numbers or anything on here. Now it's a Toshiba rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack, model number PA5212U-1BRS. Has it got anything else? It's a 14.8 volt, 45 watt, 2800 milliamp. Just see if you can see that there. Not sure if that comes up in focus or not. Anyway, remove the battery. I've also removed all the screws just to make this video quicker. It's got heaps of screws in this unit. They're all just Phillips head, and I've just used a Phillips head size 1. To remove the optical drive or DVD drive on the side here, you just need to remove this one screw here. So once that's removed, you can then slide the optical drive out. So there's the drive itself. This one's a DVD writer model SU-208. So I'll just put that to one side. As I said, remove all the screws. I've already done that. And then you'll just need a little, this is just called a opening tool, which is just a very thin metal implement. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but I don't recommend it because you might damage the actual casing. You can also get plastic ones of these as well as metal and other things. I just got this one, I think, off of eBay or Amazon. They're not too expensive. So what you need to do is get that little metal tool under the little interface between the casing and just slowly, probably better use the more flathead side, just start slowly moving around the case until you can hear it clicking. So don't try and force it. If there's something not coming apart, just check that you got all the screws. There we go. So once it's off, as you can see, there's nothing really on the underside of the top panel, just a bit of foam here where the hard drive sits. So there we've got the inside of this unit. We've got the space where the optical drive is, and that just slides in there and is held in by that screw there. We've got the memory, hard drive, CPU fan, the grill there, Wi-Fi card with the two antennas going around here. There's a white cable and a black cable. Got another sub card here for the touchpad, one for the buttons on the trackpad. Got USB sub card. Looks like another sub card here for a SD card reader on the side there. I've shown you how to remove the optical drive. Memory's quite easy. You've got two slots, slot B and slot A. You've got these two metal clips holding it in. Just push them outwards. The memory will pop up. You can then slide the memory out. This is just a 8 gig DIMM. To put it back in, just line up. There's a little slot there that lines up with a little thing in there. Just slide it in, push it down, and you'll hear it click. You can do the same thing on that side to expand your memory. Hard drive, you've got a little connector here. You can actually pick it up and then pull out the little connector, SATA connector, and to install it, just do the reverse. So you can upgrade the hard drive to an SSD or whatever you want, as long as it's the same physical size. This one here is just a Toshiba disk drive MQ01ABD100. You can then go, if you need to replace the sub cards, you can just pull out these little connectors here's for this one, and that one's for the card. The other one is just here. As I said, the Wi-Fi card is here. It's just held into a little socket, and there's 2 antennas. So that's it. There's not really much in there. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out our other teardowns, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.